Hey guys, just doing a quick video to show you a sew-in I'm getting ready to do. I've already started, as you can see. We're not using a net because I was about to say aggravates. It irritates / aggravates her scalp. It's gonna be a full sew-in, no leave out. So this is the bottom. And that's the side. So far, so good. So I'm like, this is the 4th installment of the hair. Oh, this is her 4th install with this hair. This is the Virgin Malaysian Afro relaxed texture. Huh? Well, it's Afro relaxed, yeah. Yaki, for people who are used to that term. This is the hair. And she loves it. That's so funny. Yeah, so I'll come back, show you guys the rest when I'm done. All right, thanks for watching. Bye. On video. Hey you guys, I'm coming back with the finished sew-in, and once again, this is her 4th install with this hair. I closed it up. I have not styled the hair at all. This is the closure. Hold on, it hadn't been flattened at all yet, so this is it. You can see her scalp right in there.
So what's really holding you back from going to school? My name is David, and my question is, if I go to Everest, will I actually...
As you can see, you don't see any tracks.
All right, David, here's your answer. Did they say you were coming? No. Did you go to Everest? I did.
This is how it's looking. And I will come back, but I will be styling it. It will have some volume at the top.
That's pretty cool.
They were very helpful. We had mock interviews, what skills, something that you know that.
So, yeah, this is it.
Well, we need to get back to answering people's questions. Well, Octavia, did we answer your question?
Yeah. So, I will return in a few.
Well, sure. When you get...
What's today?
Okay, recording. Hey you guys, I'm back. This is the finished look. As you can see, this is very pretty.
We're going to point the stuff and you'll tell us what it is.
Roger.
You mean yes?
No, I mean Roger. You're pointing at Roger. That's the bear's name. And he finds pointing very rude.
And he finds his owner very crazy.
I love pointing. Doesn't get the thing with Christmas. And it's a good way to bring the family together. You know, Christmas.
This is the back.
Yeah, well, my mom made this for you.
And it's just straight.
You know, I get the jail time.
Here's the other side. I just did a bang
I want to have just
on her.
him in a card game. He was a good guy. He hadn't committed that felonious stuff.
And there's the front.
No, it wasn't. I gotta go back.
And all of her hair is sewn in. Oh my gosh, I hope I'm not showing. Yes, I am. All of her hair is sewn in. As you can see,
That's my CIA car from the Bay of Pigs.
it's nice and smooth.
In the address book.
And once again, here's the closure.
1964 World Fair.
Wait, what did you say?
You do not see any tracks, honeys.
Mom, Kathleen Devereaux, 551 East 63rd Street.
Dude, that's on the Upper East Side of Manhattan.
Okay.
You know what kind of people live there?
Alrighty, guys. That's it. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.
You're gonna go see your mom, you gotta get cleaned up. All right. What